Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your investment strategy with Realty ONE Group step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your investment goals. Consider factors such as time horizon, risk tolerance, and desired returns. Research the current real estate market trends. Utilize resources like online market reports and local news. Connect with a Realty ONE Group expert in your area. Schedule a consultation to discuss your investment objectives. Explore different types of real estate investments. This includes residential properties, commercial properties, and REITs. Assess the financial performance of potential investments. Review metrics such as cash flow, ROI, and appreciation potential. Create a diversified investment portfolio. Diversification helps mitigate risks across different property types. Analyze property locations to identify growth potential. Look for emerging neighborhoods with development plans. Evaluate properties based on condition and value. Consider hiring a property inspector for a thorough assessment. Use Realty ONE Group's tools and resources for property analysis. Access their detailed market data and investment calculators. Secure financing options that align with your budget. Explore various loan types and interest rates. Make competitive offers on properties of interest. Be prepared to negotiate terms that favor your investment strategy. Conduct thorough due diligence before closing on a property. Review all legal documents and property disclosures carefully. Once purchased, focus on property management strategies. Consider hiring a property management company if needed. Regularly review and adjust your investment strategy as markets evolve. Stay informed about new trends and techniques in real estate investing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.